The coronavirus crisis has had a diverse impact on manufacturers. For some industries, demand has fallen. For other industries, demand has actually risen. For example, people are buying more cleaning materials and are stocking more food. For many manufacturers, the environment became very complex. Remote monitoring, supply chain disruptions, new safety and health standards, to name just a few. And yet, the market remains as competitive as ever. For some manufacturers, even more than before. To remain competitive, manufacturers need to constantly optimize their production processes and reduce quality, yield, and waste losses. Global manufacturers like Nestle, Barilla, and Georgia Pacific use Seebo's predictive quality and yield solution to tackle these challenges. Our process-based artificial intelligence reveals the hidden causes around these losses and helps production teams to reduce losses, increase capacity, and optimize their production lines. The coronavirus crisis is a challenge for many manufacturers, but for others, it could be an opportunity. We are very proud to take part of this S&C event and to be part of a bigger ecosystem here in Israel, helping manufacturers to thrive during this period. Thank you.